This is me, Miss Omnia again. I hope that you enjoyed our previous lessons and previous videos. Before we are going to start our new lesson, we will have a small revision for the previous lessons. In our previous lessons, we have five sounds. Sound S, A, T, I, P, P. These are five sounds in the Jolly phonics. Today our lesson is going to be about the sixth sound in the Jolly phonics, which is The letter N, we pronounce it Letter N, we pronounce it The action of this sound is pretended like if you are an airplane. And each time remember that you have to do the action of the sound in order to remind you easily and fast to the sound. Okay, if we look here to the board, we have examples for words containing letter N. We pronounce it The first example here is the word neck. This is a part of our body. Neck, the part which is below our heads. Neck. The second example is nest. Nest is a place where birds lay its eggs on it. Nest. And try all the time to blend the word into the sounds. Nest. Nest. Blending help the student how to make a word or to spell the word correctly. Okay? Okay. The third example here is the word tin. And we find here the letter or the sound comes at the end of the word. It comes at the end of the word. Tin. The fourth example here we have the word nap. Nap is a little bit of sleep. Nap. Little bit of sleep. Nap. Okay, this is the word nap. Start with the letter nap. Here we have the word net. Net, like a spider net. Net. Internet. Net. In Arabic we call it shabaka. This is for more specific meaning of the word net. Here we have hand. And we find here letter N in the middle of the word. So it's not necessary to come the sound just at the first of the word. No, we can find it in the middle like here and in the end of the word like this word tin. Okay, now we are going to see this letter and the Jolly phonics finger big book in order to explain more about the sound Okay, here we have the storyline. I'm going to read the story. Listen carefully. And the story is going to be about what's happening in this picture. The little girl has gone fishing with her grandfather grandfather. They hear a loud They hear a loud sound. They look up to the sky and see a plane flying above them. The little girl holds out her arms and pretends to fly like the plane, making sound. Sound. So the sound of the plane is just similar like the sound Here we have examples of words: neck, nip, hand, man, neck, nip, hand, man. So these words here, neck, nip, hand, man, contain the letter N or the sound at the beginning or the middle or the end of the word. Here, if you look at this picture, you can find net, and this is net. Airplane, plane. And the daughter, her grandfather, they are fishing. Right now they are fishing. Fishing is hunt fish from the water. This is fishing. Okay, as we said at first, the action of this letter is to pretend like if you are an airplane. So, Okay, thank you very much. Hope you like this lesson. And before we are going to say goodbye for you, I would like to remind you, do not forget to put your mask on your face. Please wash your hands and stay safe at home. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.